Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to edit your Kajabi header menu. This is essential for customizing your site's navigation and ensuring your visitors can easily find the pages and content that matter most to your business. Let's jump right in and get this sorted. First, you'll want to open your Kajabi site, head over to your Kajabi login page, and sign in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll need to open the website editor for the specific site where you want to make changes to your header menu. If you're working with a custom domain, simply navigate there after signing in, and you'll be ready to move forward. Now that you're in your site editor, take a look at the left-hand menu. You'll need to navigate to Settings, which is located at the bottom of that menu. Clicking on Settings will open up the hub where all your customization and access options live, giving you control over various aspects of your Kajabi account. Once you're on the Settings page, you'll see a list of different options for managing your site. What you're looking for here is an option called Site Details. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you can access the deeper customization features that affect how your site looks and functions across the board. From the Site Details menu, scroll down until you locate the menu section. This is the key area where you can make modifications to your header menu. You can paste custom code here if you're looking to enable global modifications that will apply across all your pages, ensuring consistency throughout your entire site. Take your time to customize the menu exactly how you want it, whether you're adding new links, rearranging existing ones, or removing items that no longer serve your visitors. Once you're happy with all the changes you've made, don't forget to click Save. This finalizes your modifications and ensures that your updated header menu will be visible to everyone visiting your site. And that's it. You've successfully edited your Kajabi header menu. This simple process gives you the flexibility to keep your site navigation fresh and aligned with your evolving business needs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.